Hi there, it's Adam here at Fordington's in Hexham, and today I'm showing you around this stunning 2018 Volvo V60. It's a 2-litre diesel automatic, finished in silver metallic, alloy wheels. Great specs of this vehicle, including the electric powered tailgate. Just operate on the button there. So just on there. Really good size boot space, massive, and you can put them back seats virtually flat. Great loading area, no lip, more storage underneath there. Cloth seats with a split leather as well, all in immaculate condition. Same in the front seats. Got a digital dash, touch screen on there, sat nav, keyless push twist at the start, I should say. You can see here it eventually loads up on the screen to show everything. Dual climate control aircon. See there the low mileage, 36,435. Great service history as well. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to get in touch, and look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye now.